Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize app icons on your Samsung Galaxy without third-party applications. In order to customize the look of your icons, you're gonna have to pinch inward on an empty space of your home screen in order to open the Edit menu. And in this menu, let's select Wallpaper and Style. Then go to Color Palette. Enable it by switching this toggle to the right, and then apply palette to app icons by switching this one to the right. Then you can select one of the palettes you have here. The first tab will show you different wallpaper colors and will let you choose the palette based on these colors. Or you can also switch to basic colors and select one of them. Then tap Apply. Return to the home screen, and as you can see, all the icons are customized now. But it's not the only way that we can do this. Let's perform the inward pinch gesture one more time, but then let's go to themes. Now let's go to Icons tab right here, and here we'll have many different icons, icon themes. Now at the very bottom you will find the free ones, and all you have to do to apply them is just select them, then select download, and then apply. And that's how you can do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.